So today I think we're doing single player. Since the multiplayer, I don't have any connection. Let's just say that. Because I'm in a car with a tablet. So let's do this. Plus, I'm not really following them. Let's see if I can do some random things here. Okay. Yo, did I crack my window? I think I cracked my window. Hold up.
What? Talking to?
That's it. Alright, here we are. Time to continue because I already know what this is. Okay, I never knew you, Mike. It's a custom center for wait, Extreme Island. Wait, hold up. This is Extreme Island, right? So why is it? Yo, how you get up there? Now that's crazy. Now how did you get up there?
Now you ain't going to stay here.
Yo, how? Ooh, I got lucky I didn't knock that over. Cause every single thing I knock over, I have to pay for it. Holy, got lucky. No. No. Don't fall. I should just basically. Oh, I thought those. Yeah, I'm gonna just start hitting everything now. Come on. Don't scare me like that. Let's do this. Yo.
You already got it out, so you might want to finish.